Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to leave a clan in Clash Royale. In order to leave a clan in Clash Royale, first of all, launch the Clash Royale app on your device like you normally do, and from the home screen, tap on the clan button at the bottom right, this one over here, and you will then be able to see the clans that you've joined into. Tap on the clan's name at the top, and then in order to leave a clan, simply go ahead and tap the red leave button. Click on OK to confirm that you want to leave the clan by tapping OK, and there you have successfully left a clan in Clash Royale. So that is how you easily do it. If you are the clan's leader, you'll need to transfer your leadership to another member before you can leave the clan. After leaving, you can join another clan or create your own. So that is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Clash Royale tips and tricks. I'll be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.